All right, here we have a live sound hack for you for a portable PA system based on a small analog mixing board, external foot pedal equalizer, and if you have a long cable run, you don't have to run 1/4 inch out. You can run into a DI box and turn it to XLR. And over here, I have a loudspeaker pointed at me, and I'm going to make it feedback. And I'll show you the instant hack, something you should have in your toolkit. If you want to call it your breakout kit or your whatever kit you want to call it, check this out. I'm going to unmute now, and you're going to hear some feedback. Check, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it right there. Here, again. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, feedback. Instant fix with this pedal. The key here with this pedal, I gotta mute the channel, is that the critical bands here are 400 Hertz and 1.6 K, right where feedback generally occurs, and this dipping this 400 will clean up the lower mids. So that's my D curve applied to a portable guitar pedal for a portable PA system. So if you only rent a mixer, a couple of microphones, and you don't have like onboard EQ, this one has onboard EQ, but look, the frequencies aren't the critical ones to kill for feedback because you got 1 and 2K. So instead of taking them both down, you only take one in between 1 and 2K. Actually, 1.6, so it's a nice compromise right there to get rid of the most common feedback problems, and that's it. This 6-band equalizer, remember, it's the bands that make the difference. So you can use this in conjunction with this and have more control. But as you can see, simply doing this cleaned up the sound compared to this, where it's very muddy and feeding back and stuff like that. And you can't have that. So there's only so much you can turn up a sound system before it feeds back. Instant fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When this sounds much smoother. For a portable PA system, that is the hack. The Joyo 6-band equalizer with the D curve. Cheers.